This is Caesar 4.25.1. When Caesar noticed this, and we keep seeing this relative pronoun referring back to previous action. We say Caesar noticed this. They say Caesar noticed which. Just referring back there. And you can see it's a subordinate clause, when. And now, this is big. The theme of this sentence is indirect statement. All right, this is big in this sentence. I'll show you why. We've got subject, accusative here, and then we have verb infinitive. Let's see. Here is the first verb. Here is the second verb. Here is the third verb infinitive. And they are all present passive infinitives. Okay? Present passive infinitive. Present passive infinitive. So he ordered. This is what begins. This is main verb right there. He ordered that. We always try to use that conjunction because it spares us a lot of trouble in the long run. He ordered that the longboats, in other words, the battleships with sails and oars and shields and rudders, very fancy technology, that the battleships whose appearance was less familiar to the barbarians, there's a comparative there, and this is the genitive plural of the relative pronoun. Rice's law at work there, when the genitive of the relative pronoun is used to translate whose, works out 90% of the time, whose appearance was stranger to the foreigners, and whose agility was, whose motion was swifter for the purpose. They were more agile. Okay, another comparative here, Eor. He ordered these longboats to be moved away a little bit from the freight boats, freight bearing, that's that word there, and to be accelerated with oars. See a passive verb form, look for the ablative of means. There it is. They were moved by the oars moved them. And to be positioned, another present passive infinitive, to be positioned at the open flank of the enemy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 orders there. And go back to this main verb. He ordered that the enemy be pushed back. Another subject accusative here. Verb infinitive. Which infinitive is that? That is the present passive infinitive. So he's using all present passive infinitives. Same here. Okay. The enemy be pushed back and put to flight. And then these passive infinitives are attached to these ablatives with slings, arrows, and catapults. So a lot of parallelism here. He keeps using that present passive infinitive. And then this little phrase here. This action was a great advantage to our men. And this is the double dative. Very unique little grammatical usage in Latin. This is the dative of purpose. It was of great use. And this is the dative of reference to our men. Yeah, dative of purpose, dative of reference, double dative. That's a beauty.